Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. This is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar still has not broken any structure to the downside in any significant way. Just like I was saying this morning, until this actually does break structure to the downside, I definitely, on any time frame that I was trading, anything below the 1 hour time frame especially, I would definitely still be looking for longs. There's always a chance that it just keeps on pushing up. If it does do like what a lot of the other dollar pairs are doing at currently, then it does seem pretty likely that it would start a crescent, then continue the uptrend from there. Most of the other dollar pairs look like they are actually already in a wave A and that they may be getting ready to start a wave B. So maybe when this goes up and makes a wave B, or make a higher high wave B like an expanded flat, go down for a wave C. And maybe this is what we'll end up seeing, something like this for an expanded flat ABC correction, and then the continuation of the uptrend. Either way, until I see a significant break of structure to the downside, I'm definitely still looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom every single day. And it also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website at fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.